Hi everyone, today we've got a really exciting video. I'm basically gonna be completely redoing Danny and I's room. Obviously we've been in this space for a long time because of lockdown, so I am just kind of bored of it and felt like redoing it, and I discovered that B&M is still open. We don't have a B&M that close to us, so we have to walk for a while, but I'm really excited to go. I love B&M. And I can't wait to buy loads of stuff. I'm probably not going to take my camera with me to B&M just because I want maximum shopping time and I don't want to be focusing on trying to vlog as well. But I'll show you what we get when we get back. Should I show you his room right now? It's really messy. So here's a before of the room. We've got the wardrobes here. I think we're going to switch our bedside tables because that one has way less storage and Danny has like nothing in his. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff everywhere. We're gonna move some of our furniture about, just make it look a lot nicer. So I'm really excited for this. I don't know how many days it will take me. I was kind of hoping to get it all done today, but I highly doubt that. We're back now. That was... yeah. We basically... I said before how there's not really a B&M that close to us. And we basically went to one that just didn't exist, pretty much. But then we eventually went to the other one, but it took us so long and I'm absolutely exhausted now. It's 4:05. I'm still gonna start doing stuff today, but we probably won't finish it today because we also need to move these wardrobes. It's gonna be a lot of effort. So I'll show you what we got. I was actually quite disappointed with that B&M. There wasn't really much. I mean, to be honest, I don't really know what I was looking for, but nothing really caught my eye. So we got this big blanket. It was £15. It's really soft. We used to have a blanket on our bed, but someone took it, right? So we had to buy a new one. This one. Okay, is this all the stuff here?
Yeah.
So then we got, oh, I got some crisps because they look nice. Some bin bags. Got myself a protein shake if I ever decide to do some exercise. Oh, Danny got some mini eggs. I got this storage.
That's not Russell.
Yes. I got this storage tray. I'm really struggling to say that. It was £1.50. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I thought that this is something that's useful. And then I got 2 of these storage boxes because they were 2 for £2.50, which was quite good because I have these ones. You can't see, but I've got 2 pink ones in there, and they had them, but they're like £5 each, and this is 2 for £2.50. So I was like, I'm gonna get one of these. I was looking for like underwear storage, so like something to like separate like my pants and socks and stuff like that, just because I can never find any, but they didn't have them, so we're gonna do like a DIY thing and just split the box up ourselves. So should we start today?
Not for a while at least.
Okay.
I
Okay, we're gonna have a break because I'm exhausted. I'm really disappointed actually that we didn't get very much, but I am excited for when we're moving out and then we'll go to B&M, so look forward to that. It'll be in a couple months time. I don't know where I'm going to put them out. I'm sorry.
No, if somebody gets the other box, see? Okay. There we go.
Oh, do you know what? I don't like it. I reckon we turn it so it's like...
That's it. I didn't think you did.
Here's the wardrobe here. Very, like...
Too big.
Yeah. Do we just move it back?
Fucking. 3, 1.
Here's what I've done so far. So I've put all of my clothes that go in my wardrobe back in the wardrobe. I've put 3 baskets underneath. That was one of the new ones today. Those are 2 old ones. and then I haven't filled them up yet. And then I've got shoes there, and I still have all this stuff, but I'm kind of tired, to be honest. Also, Danny just came through and gave me a vodka lemonade to help me. I'm now gonna switch these two bedside tables because that one's Danny's and that one's mine, and mine has less space than Danny's does and he doesn't really use it for much.
There's gonna be no room for this, but it's room. Should I make, are you on that? Yeah, fair. 3 days ago. I'm not there now. Yeah, put me on. Yeah, I made that.
Yeah. What you like? Sorry that this angle is kind of terrible. And I'm literally to my laptop. How do I fix this? Okay, that's a bit better. So it's literally been maybe 2 weeks, maybe over 2 weeks since I last filmed anything for this room makeover video. I really need to find some better angles than this. I basically just became really lazy and didn't do anything. Also, does my hair look stupid? Oh well, I actually feel really sick. So this video took kind of a while, and today's meant to be the day that I actually upload it. So if you've seen this on Saturday, then I managed to do it. But this morning, Danny and I tidied the whole room so that I could show you it. There's not that big of a difference, to be honest. We are hopefully moving out soon. I don't even know at this point. So I didn't feel like there was a point in like decorating it really nicely. So I'm gonna give you a bit of a room tour right now and show you all of the stuff we did to the room. Okay, so when you walk in now, we've got the chest of drawers here. If you remember, there used to be another wardrobe there, that one, but we moved it. So I actually really like this area here. We have some really dead tulips. I put these butterfly stickers up, which I think I'm gonna buy again when we finally move into another flat, because I actually really like them, but I don't think I can reuse them. I've got these flowers here that Danny got me for Valentine's Day that are also dying. This used to be over there. Got my yoga mat there. Got the wardrobe. This is Danny's wardrobe. We switched bedside tables because this one had more storage. Then coming along this way, we've got some shoes. This bit looks kind of a mess. We tried to tidy it, but I don't even know where to put most of this stuff. Got my easel. I painted this painting of tulips. It's not very good, but then we've got the mirror. This is my outfit today. Got my makeup stuff there. Also, I for ages thought that I had moved this and that there was no plug and that I couldn't do my hair here, so I kept moving the mirror over there to where the plugs are. Every time I did it, that fell on top of my head, and then I discovered that there's actually a plug right there. Then we have the new wardrobe and our washing basket. Inside the wardrobe, it's the same system as it was before, but now we have 3 boxes at the bottom, and then my shoes. I also have bags on top of there. Don't love them there, but there wasn't really anywhere else to put them because they used to be in my wardrobe, but now there's not any space. Got a window. The desk area is still exactly the same. Got some mold cleaning stuff down there for the nice moldy window. Daddy's got the small bedside table, and then we've got our new blanket on the bed. So that is pretty much everything. This video probably wasn't great because we didn't actually do that much stuff, but I hope that you enjoyed anyway, and I don't really know what else to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.